Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Coach. Today we're going to be talking about the scientific method. So week 2, let's see what scientific method is. You're going to be seeing this video on your Google Classroom, and there will be a bell work along with this and a classwork as well. Okay, so who uses it? What is it? Okay, these are the two. And then third question, why should I care? And the science classroom, why would we care about the scientific method? Okay? Well, everybody uses it every day. It's not just scientific method. It will also be helping you guys out solving any kind of problems you have. So you can just name any kind of problems you want. I will be helping you finding it through by using scientific method. So everybody uses EVIS, yes, even you. So it's a way to solve problems. So do you have any problems to solve? It could be anything, okay? If you're watching this video, here comes your first question. What kind of problems do you have? You can say anything you want. For example, I have a problem with getting up early. I have a problem losing weight. I have a problem focusing. It could be anything, okay? Any problem. Or I have a problem understanding why is the sky blue. I have a problem understanding why the water is cold, why water is hot, okay? It could be any big or small. I need you to write down 3 problems, okay, on your science notebook. You should have a science notebook, okay? In our first Zoom meeting, we are going to be sharing that notebook with the teacher. When you come to the Zoom meeting, I need you to show me your notebook, and I need you to read those 3 problems are, okay? Everybody will get to talk. Again, the Zoom meetings are not mandatory. You guys are more than welcome to join. If not, I need you to email me your 3 questions, okay? 3 questions you have. Okay, let's see what kind of problems out there. Where are my shoes? What should I have for lunch? Any type of problems. What class do I have next? Did I do my homework for that class? What's the cure for cancer? Which deodorants work the longest? So, any questions as you see, okay? But how am I supposed to solve these problems? By using the scientific method, okay? Here are the scientific method. First comes first. You should have a problem. Without having a problem, you can't start a scientific method. I don't have any problem. Let's do a scientific method. No. So you will have to have an issue to solve that, okay? When there's no problem, there's no solution, right? You guys have to have a problem. I'm not saying like you need to create a problem. If you're wondering something, if you have a curiosity about something, here comes the scientific method for you. Then you're going to have an information about the problem. If it's about the losing weight, you need to get some data from outside sources. It can be Google, library, your teacher, other experts. You need to go out there and get some info about this problem, okay? And then you're going to make a hypothesis. We will talk about this step by step, but I wonder if you guys know what hypothesis is. There's an easy way to say it. There's a very easy way, like quick definition to the hypothesis, okay? And we will all be talking about these on the Zoom meeting as well. So I need you to tell me what hypothesis is, okay? So hypothesis is an educated guess. Yes, the hypothesis is an educated guess. Yay. So then we are going to test the hypothesis. For example, if you guys are trying to find out the way to lose weight, your hypothesis should look like, if I eat less, I should be able to lose weight. You're just guessing it. Or someone can go and say, if I start drinking water, then I must be able to lose weight. If I do an exercise, I should be able to lose weight, right? So how am I supposed to test this hypothesis? I'm supposed to go ahead and do whatever I was saying, the word after the word. If, per se, if you say, if I start drinking water, I should be able to lose weight. Then as an experiment, as a test your hypothesis, you should start drinking water. Okay? Step 4 is telling you to test the number 3. Okay? This is number 3, hypothesis, and here comes the 4th. If you're saying, if I exercise, I will lose weight. You're for sure that. Okay? As an experiment, what should you do? You should exercise. Easy. Then you need to observe. You start doing exercise and need to go weight in, right? If you're like 160 pounds, you should be able to go down below 160. Okay? Observations. You need to get the data from your test. Okay? And then you're going to conclude, yes, I was able to lose weight when I eat less. I was able to lose weight when I drink more water. I was able to lose weight when I exercise. You see, these are the scientific methods. I just use it for my losing weight option. You can go ahead and do it with your waking up late, not being able to go to sleep. Like whatever is your problem, you're going to do a scientific method steps. I need you to also write these down on your science notebook as well. So you have 2 assignments for today. 1, write these down. There are 6 steps to the scientific method. Do you see these? I need you to write it down. Let's try this. I need you to write this down. And these 6 steps: problem, information, hypothesis, experiment, observation, and conclusion. Okay? So in the next video, we're going to be talking about one by one what each means. Okay? Problem, information, hypothesis, experiment, observations, and conclusions. On your science notebook, you should have this written. Remember, we talked about during last week's syllabus video. I talked about how you will remember or memorize when you write stuff. That's why we're using the notebook option. I need you to write these down. And your second assignment is to find 3 problems, okay, that you guys are wondering or you guys are having issues. You don't have to have it. Why don't you just go out and ask your family members, can you tell me a question? Can you ask me a question? Do you have any problems? Do you have any issues? Do you wonder something? Are you curious about something? Okay? Just go and ask whoever you're living with. You can ask your father, you can ask your mom, you can ask your siblings, sister, brothers, grandma, uncle, whoever you want to go ask. All I need is 3 questions from you along with these written down on your science notebook. And then I will tell you how you can share with me. Okay? If you're a 6th grade, you know how to share. You basically go on and just type in your email address. You're gonna put my email address and make sure you have a subject. Say, here are my questions. But when you come to my Zoom meetings, I need a picture of you writing it down on your science notebook, the problems and this scientific method. Okay? Hope to see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.